In this video, we show you how to upload your article master data via Excel upload. To upload the articles, go to the Items menu in Firstbase. Click on the Import button and select the desired file. Then select whether the articles should be saved as a draft or published directly. Once you have completed the first spreadsheet, select Publish Immediately. If you want to publish at a later date, use Save as Draft. If you have unchanged data records of existing articles in the Excel template under Article Data, we recommend ticking the advanced setting Import Products Without Changes. Click on Import to upload the articles to the system. Under the Tasks tab, you can track the status of the upload. If errors occur, this will be displayed. If all items have failed, read the relevant error messages in the Actions column with the View Errors link. In this case, download the Download Original Excel again and correct the errors. In the event that some items fail, you can use the Download Failed Items option to see which errors have occurred for which item. By clicking on the Error ID link, blue font, you can jump to the corresponding error in Excel and correct it. Once you have corrected all errors, you can upload the Excel again as shown above. Return to the item overview. Here you will find the newly uploaded articles. If you have published the articles directly, please check the publication status and the last change. Date should be updated. The highest article level should have the status Published. The articles below it should have the status Live. Thank you for your attention.